much on my mind right now. I ain't got the time to get you sailing right now. I got too much on my mind right now. Tell that hero tale, get my baby.
Hey guys, so I've been getting a lot of requests on how I do my eyeliner. I have different techniques on how I do it depending on what type of eyeliner I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and do two different ways of eyeliner. This one will be from a pen. This is the shape of it that I do when I use a pen. And then when I use like this type, which I don't know the specific way, but like with the brush, then I do like a thinner eyeliner. But I do two different techniques when I use each one. So another thing before I get started, I just wanted to say that I found this at the 99-cent store. It's only $2, although it's at a 99-cent store, but it's $2. It's a tripod for a phone. So for those of you guys who are trying to do YouTube or like do videos on Instagram, if you guys are trying to record off your phone, this is amazing for $2. I'm gonna start using this too because why not? It's gonna make it easier whenever my camera dies and I can just use my phone. So I just wanted to spread the word on that. It has this thing to twist it in, just like a regular tripod. And this stretches, okay. This is so cute. This bends. What? Okay, so I'm gonna grab the beauty blender and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the crease off my lid. And then, so with this type of eyeliner, it's just like a pen-like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it. I'll get the middle part of my lid and start lining it up. Because of the type of eye shape I have, I feel like this works best for me. Whatever works good for me might not work for you, but if you just go ahead and keep doing different ways, you'll find the way that works for your eye shape. So I'll go from the middle right here and then flick it out till the end. So sometimes I can either go all the way up here or I can go like more long way like that. Then, okay, so that's the top part of the eyeliner. Right here in the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and just create it right here. Sorry, my eyeliner is drying up, so just gonna take a few tries, but I'm gonna go into the inner part. So now I got like the outline of it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit right here and then just keep making it thicker and then go down. And then that's pretty much it. And sometimes I like to bring it down more. Like right here, the lowest I'll go is right here and then I connect it. But sometimes I like to go up here instead of like down right here. So yeah, just depending on the mood I am for the eye shape. This is like the thickest I'll go to for my eyeliner if I really want to make my eyes more like a cat shape. So this is for the pen liner, this is how I do it for the technique of it. I don't have a black one for this one. I don't know if you can see it, but this one is a different type of eyeliner. See, like you bring it out and it's not a pen shape, it's more of a brush. So this one's a lot more easier to work with. I'm gonna grab another one because look at the brush, how bad it is. It's drying up, but I have other colors. All right, so with this one, I hold it just like a pen and I put my pinky right here. I rest it on my hand, like on my face right here. And I put the little brush right on the bottom part where my tail is gonna be at. So like this one right here, I'm gonna start bottom to top instead. Like that. And then that's pretty much it. Like, see how with this one, I started from the bottom and then I flicked it out. If I want, I can make it a little bit more angled to the side. But normally I just end up flicking it up like that. And I haven't even cleaned it up with concealer or anything. And this one, I like, with the pen, I like to make it more longer. And make a flat brush like this one. And then just grab concealer. And then whatever's on the brush, I'm just going to put on my hand. And then just kind of blend it out. You could either get a beauty blender or your finger and then just kind of like pat it in. Okay, so whenever you have black eyeliner, you want to go ahead and color the top waterline. The waterline is that naked skin that you have right here. Do you see it? It just looks weird. I colored part of it already right there. But you want to get the whole thing. So, because when you look up and you're like talking, it looks weird, like when you have your eyeliner. And then, I don't know. It just looks more connected and clean when you color in. See, so when you look up, it's all black. Okay, so this is like the cat shape eye that I work with. The lash glue is still drying up a little, but yep, that's the way I do this technique and it works best for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the different eyeliners. So whenever I want to go like a more cat shape, this is the type of eyeliner I use. It works best for me because I get to make it thicker and slowly control it and as thick as I want. And then to make it thinner, I like to use type of eyeliner like this. I don't even know what they're called. I think this is like the pen and this one's like the brush. I don't know. I do need to get more eyeliner because both of these are starting to dry up. So it's best to constantly get like new ones because once they dry up, they're no good. You start getting more messy with it and you're trying to like retrace it and then it just makes it very horrible and it just looks very sloppy, which is how it feels with this one a little. Like it just got a little sloppy, like it's not even colored in the bottom. So NYX works really good. I have no complaints for it. I spend about $25 on this eyeliner and NYX has like $8 ones and they work just the same. So I feel like I just wasted $25, but you know, lesson learned from that and spread the word, you know. If you guys like the eyeliner and the different styles that I taught you guys today, then give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys have it.
Say you